Good morning, everybody. I am back with another lesson. Today we shall study about syllabification. What is a syllable? Syllable, it is a combination of alphabet which makes a dominant vowel sound. Combination of alphabet which makes a dominant vowel sound. Parts in which the word is broken for pronunciation is called syllable. For example, we can take this word, music. Here, we can divide this word into two here. Music. So, the part in which the word is broken for pronunciation is called syllable. The part in which the word is broken for pronunciation is called syllable. Now we shall see how we can find out the syllables. Number of syllables depends on the presence of vowels. We can count the number of syllables by the presence of vowels in the word. For example, see the word bis. Here, how many vowels are there? Only one vowel, E. Do you know what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel letters. Here, see the word. How many vowels are here? Only one vowel. So, there is only. So, this word has one syllable. If there is only one vowel, that word has only one syllable. Check this, magic. Here there are two vowels. Ma, A, here I. Magic. There are two vowels. So, there are two syllables. Here, ma, one syllable. Jig, another syllable. So, this word contains two vowels and so two syllables. Next, two vowels. Sometimes the words may have two vowels but one vowel sound. Example, cries. See the word cries here. You can see two vowels together, I and E. But here we count it as one, only one syllable. Cries, one syllable. Dreams, here also there are two vowels, but they are counted as only one vowel. Dreams, so here there is only one syllable. Shout, here also there are two vowels joined together, so we count it as one syllable. Ear, eye. Tie. In all these words, we have two vowels, but they have only one vowel sound. Next, letter E at the end. If the letter E is at the end, it may be silent. If it is silent, we do not consider this vowel for syllabification. File, F-I-L-E, file, S-I-D-E, side, please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please, name, N-A-M-E, name, decide, D-E-C-I-D-E, decide. Here, the last vowel is not considered because it has no sound. We pronounce it as file, not filey. If we pronounce it as file. Here also we pronounce it as side. Please, name, decide. They are silent, so they are not considered for syllabification. Here they all have only one syllable. If the word ends with the letter E, and if it is silent, we do not consider them for syllabification. Next, monosyllable. If a word has only one syllable, we call it as monosyllable. Example, dog, cat, gap, man, smile, dance. Dog, here there is only one vowel and one syllable, so we call it monosyllable. CAT, here one vowel and it has only one syllable. Here also gap, man. See here there are two vowels, but as the word ends in E, which is silent, there is only one syllable. Here also, see, dance, we pronounce it as dance, the last vowel is silent. So here there is only one syllable. So they are all called monosyllable. Next, multisyllable. See the word corner, yesterday and entertainment. Here we can see more than two syllables. Corner, corner, corner. It is one syllable and this is another syllable. So two syllables. It is a multi-syllable. Yesterday, yesterday. Yesterday. There are three syllables. And here see entertainment. Entertainment. There are four syllables. If a word has more than two syllables, we say it is a multi-syllable. Now we can see how we can make syllables. How to break a word into syllables. How a word can be syllabified. Rule number 1. Divide and break two middle consonants. When there are two consonants in the middle of a word, we have to divide between the two consonants. Example, sudden. There are two consonants in the middle. We have to divide the word, break the word here. Sudden, sudden. Here we see two consonants, PP. We have to divide this word here. So break the word here. Happen. Yellow. Here there are two consonants, we have to break here. In the middle of the two consonants, we have to break to form the syllable. Yellow. Computer. Here, MT. There are two consonants seen together. We have to break the word here. Computer. Computer. Here also there are two consonants in the middle, SK. So we have to divide the word in between the two consonants. Gasket, gasket, gasket. So in these three words, sudden, happen, yellow, we see same consonants together. But in here we see different consonants, MP. Here also SK. So we divide, we break the word in the middle of these two consonants. Next, there are some exceptions here also. When the middle consonants are CH or PH or TH or SH or WH, we break the word before this consonant. We won't break these letters. Instead, we break the word before this consonant. For example, purchase. 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 Here we divide. Before the two consonants. Elephant, here we divide. Mother, here we break. Cashew, here we break. And whether we break here. These are exceptions of this rule. Next, rule number 2. Divide before one middle consonant. If there is only one consonant in the middle, we divide that word before that consonant. Before that consonant. Today. 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 Before the consonant. Before the middle consonant, we divide. Devil, devil. Return. If there is divide before the middle consonant. We have to divide the word before the middle consonant. Next, rule number 3, alphabet only forms one syllable. Here you see the word humble. The word B comes here. We have to divide, we have to make the break here. Humble. Humble. L-E, a consonant comes before that. We have to break the word before this consonant. Humble. Trouble. Handle. Little. Here handle. Here trouble. Here little. Little. Handle. Trouble. Humble. Next, rule number 4, separate two small meaningful words which contains the syllable, which contains a vowel. The words contains vowel in each of them. Example, keyboard, keyboard. Key, one syllable, board, one syllable. Here we see one vowel sound, key, but here board, we see two vowels but sound only one sound. So, two syllables. Here in this word we see two syllables. Snowman, snowman. Here snowman. We see one vowel here and here also another vowel. Snowman. Two meaningful words. The syllabification takes place between the two meaningful words which have vowel sounds. Next, moon, light. Moon, light. Here we see O, but they have only two vowels, vowel letters, but only one vowel sound. Moon, light. Here also we see one vowel only. It is, here we see one syllable. So, moon, light, meaningful words separated. Moon, light. Rule number 6, prefix and suffix. When there is a prefix or suffix in a sentence, how we can separate? The prefix and suffix, they form separate syllable. Example, for prefix, un, pre, re. If a word has these prefix, they are separated. Unaware. Here we separate. Separated from the word. Unaware. Unknown. Separate here. Next, prepare. Here in all these words there is only one vowel, unaware, unknown. In all these words, in all these syllables, there is only one vowel. But here, one vowel, pair, two vowels. But when a word ends in E, that vowel is silent. So there is only one syllable. Prepare, premature. Premature. Redial. Next, rewrite. Then now we shall see suffix. When a word has this suffix in the end, less, full or air, they also form a separate syllable. Hopeless. Hope, one syllable, less, another syllable. Aimless. Aim, one syllable, less, another syllable. Countless. Count, one syllable, less, another syllable. If a word ends in full, ends in the suffix full, here also suffix form a separate syllable. Careful. Helpful. Doubtful. And when a word ends in er, suffix er, here also suffix form a separate syllable. Reader, read, read, ear. Painter, paint, ear. Now I hope you all have understood the syllabification. Now I shall give you some words for syllabification. You have to read the words well and syllabify them. Music, meat, key, notebook, trice, circle, paper, picture, teacher, understand, common, handkerchief, apples, angry, shopkeeper, comic, correct, instructions, follow, smile. This topic is specially for the students. If you are interested, you can write down the words and syllabify them. Now I shall tell you the answers for checking your answers. Music, music. Music. Here, mu there is one vowel, sick there is one vowel. Depending upon the vowels in a word, we separated this. Then meat. Here, though there are two vowels, they function as single sound, one vowel sound. So here, meat, one syllable. Meat, one syllable. Here key, in this word there is only one vowel, so one syllable, one syllable. Notebook, words, we separated the words. Here note, one syllable, book, another syllable, two syllables. Here tries, tries. Here also there are two vowel words, vowel letters, but they are pronounced as single vowel. It has a single vowel sound. So here there is only one syllable, one. Circle, circle, here one vowel, here one vowel, circle. There are two syllables. Paper, paper, paper. Two syllables. Next, picture, picture, picture. Then teacher, teacher, teacher. Here, these two consonants cannot be separated. So we can separated the word before these two consonants. Teacher. Understand, understand, understand. So three syllables are here. Next, common, common. Then there are two consonants in the middle. We separate in the middle of the consonants. Handkerchief, hand, one syllable. Kerchief, kerchief, handkerchief, three syllables. Apples, here there is only one vowel letter and one vowel sound. So it has only one syllable, one. Angry, here also one syllable. Next, shopkeeper, shop, one syllable, keeper, another syllable. Comic, comic, correct, correct, correct. Instructions, instructions, instructions. Follow, follow. Here, we separate here between the two consonants. Next, smile, smile. There is only one here, only one vowel sound, though there are two vowel letters. LE. So this is silent. The E with the L is silent. So there is only one syllable. Here 2, here 3, here 2, 2. I hope you all have understood the lesson. If you like this video, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.